Start. Actually, let's do this. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, okay. We'll do that for now on. Where you wait? Oh yeah.
One minute.
Come back.
I'm in 0-1. 2-1.
That's killing me.
3-1.
Oh. 1, 3. Oh! Oh!
3-1.
Darn, really ran up in there.
1-3.
Oh.
2-3.
Still declare if it hits any outside object. Yes. Did not hear it hit the ground.
3-2.
Why did I do that? I tripped myself up.
2-3.
Ah!
It was on last time.
Okay. Where'd it go? Oh, okay.
4-2.
Wait, let's ignore that. What is that anyway?
Check out those ping pong balls. They're in the
Yeah, sorry.
2-4. 3-4.
Oh.
4-4.
Oh boy.
Cheers.
Damn. Okay.
4 up.
Dang that.
4 up.
Whoa.
Still 4-4.
It's mine, right? All right.
5-4.
That was cool.
6-4. 7-4.
That's my height.
Ah.
Whoa.
8-4. 4-9. 4-8. 5-8.
Oh.
6-8. 7-8.
You just got another ball stored in your pocket?
Yeah.
Nice. Balls in the pocket.
8-8.
I don't know what I tried there.
9-8.
What is it? Backspin and
10-8.
front spin?
Top
Top spin.
10-8.
Ooh. Hit my left hand,
Yeah.
not my right
8-10.
hand with the paddle on it, but is that yours? Ready? That's so mean.
I know it is. 11-8.
Learn how to combat that. I don't know why I hit it. Just get that urge. That dog in me, like these dogs. Uh-oh. Oh. There's less room to work with back here, so there's a bit of a disadvantage if you're able to hit a shot from long distance. Like, there's so many missed opportunities from this side. Like, I could dive into the
Yeah, well,
driveway if I wanted to.
there's also this.
Yeah.
Well, sweet.
Thank you. Oh! Nutting your various thing together.
13.
Oh, quick with it. Instinct.
Straight gangster now.
I literally see a ball in open sight right there.
13-9. 14-9.
Oh boy.
15-9.
No, please. You can't do that.
17-9.
Please, I don't do that stuff. You don't.
Yes,
Well, I also don't really learn it.
9-17.
I can't mess up that badly again.
Oh. 17-9. Nine 17. Oh.
Come back.
17.
Let's go.
17.
Cast a spell on that ball. Every single time I don't hit it, I like put my hands up like I surrendered to the ball.
17.
Not go as planned.
17, 12.
Trade off.
17.
No! Count it
13,
in the
17.
books.
14,
happening?
17.
I got fooled by my own spin. I just did the splits. Oh. Yeah, you've been slipping and sliding over here. What's
Slippery spot. 15, 17.
How is there a slippery spot on concrete?
16, 17. Ooh, big lead.
Yeah, look what we cut it to. Lucky you didn't get a paddle on that.
17, 16.
Ah, my knuckle. Wait, so would that be yours or mine?
9.
Because it hit my knuckle.
You missed the table.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I didn't know about that. Wow. Let's go.
17, 16. 18, 17.
So ready for this. Yeah.
17, 17.
Bro dapped himself up. Aw, so close.
17, 17.
Ah, you got close there.
17, 17.
Ooh, that sounded like it hurt.
17, 18. 18, 18.
You're overshooting it a lot now.
Yep.
Okay, I really tried to hit off the car. Lost calls.
1818.
Pinball.
Still 1818.
That's not fair. Oh. Okay. Why?
Mm-hmm.
What is it now?
1918.
Yeah. I'll grab an answer.
Wait.
18, 20,
Did I miss
2018.